Huckleberries, and welcome to A Day in the Life. Today you are going to meet my personal trainer, you're going to be able to see what I eat, and you get to watch me embarrass myself in public. Yay! But besides all that, I am just really excited to be sharing a day in the life video for you guys because it's been forever, but also this is the first day in the life video I am filming since moving out to Honolulu. And at this point, I've been living here for 2.5 months around, which is just crazy to me, but I wanted to wait to film a video like this one until I started to feel a sense of routine. So the last few weeks have been pretty consistent. I'm starting to actually get in the habit of things, and I thought it was about time I share it with you guys. So today is my day off from my full-time job. I do work 5 days a week at a restaurant where I am a server, so I wanted to film on a day that I wasn't working. Today is definitely focused on running errands, getting stuff done, taking care of myself. My health and wellness has been the #1 priority in my life since moving to Honolulu, so there is going to be a lot of that in this video. So if that interests you, keep on a watching. There are a few little things I need to talk about before we dive in. Obviously, as you can tell, this does not look like a typical day in the life video for me. If you haven't watched any of those, I'll link a few of like my favorites, or just some random pics I guess, down in the description box. But I'm kind of trying something new, so I'm really excited to hear your feedback. So today we're going to be doing a more narrative style, clearly hello, versus a more casual vlog style where I'm just narrating as I go. So please, please, please let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I will put that into consideration moving forward when I film more videos like this one. Okay, I think that's all I have to say on that. Let's get this day going. The first thing I do when I wake up is heat up some water and prep a cup of green tea. And the last couple of weeks have been super chilly and rainy where I live, so an extra hot mug and a hat are necessities to get me out of bed in the morning. I also like to drink plenty of water when I wake up and take my vitamins. I take a pretty basic multivitamin and a vegan omega-3. I also eat breakfast, which has been a banana and an egg lately. After just chilling out on the couch for a little while, maybe Instagramming or watching some YouTube, it's time to head out for the day. And speaking of Instagram, if you don't follow me there, that means you guys haven't seen my moped yet. Ah! So this is my baby. She's been so much fun and has brought my life so much ease and so much happiness, and I'm just so grateful. She gets me to everywhere I need to go and keeps me safe and is just so much fun to ride. I love my moped. Hello, Moped. So excited to finally debut you on my channel. Little sidebar, but I was thinking about making a what's in my moped video. Let me know if that sounds interesting to you guys. Love my moped. Definitely want to include that in some future videos. I don't know, let me know. So I've been really busy lately between work and my fitness schedule, and because I haven't been hiking or going to the beach lately, I have gotten pasty as hell. I mean, like, Minnesota Holli is back, and I don't know how I feel about it, but I am white. So I've been making more of an effort the last couple of weeks to get to the beach no matter what, just to lay out and get some vitamin D, whether it's for 20 minutes or an hour or 2 hours. I've really just been trying to get to the beach. But the last couple of weeks, like I mentioned previously, have been super rainy, and I still wanted to make an effort to go just to show you guys. This is Ala Moana Beach. This is by no means a beach that I would recommend going to, but it's conveniently located to my gym and my job, and it's never crowded. But again, there really wasn't much luck today as far as laying out. As soon as I got there, it started raining. So moving on. Next stop is Le Gym, the place I've been spending a lot of time in. the last month or so. So today I started off by taking my BCAA supplements. That is a supplement that helps to build and repair muscle. And since I am trying to lose fat and gain muscle, I've been taking BCAAs regularly. And then I started off by foam rolling and doing some light stretching. Then I decided to hit the treadmill, which is where I do interval running and watch a lot of YouTube. Actually, by forcing myself to watch specific videos at the gym, it has really kept me consistent with my cardio, and it makes me do my cardio for longer. So I'm actually on the treadmill from anywhere from 30 minutes to 60 minutes. But if I do need a change of pace, I will hit up the Stairmaster from time to time, and I honestly hate it, but booty goals, you know what I'm saying? Then I stretched some more and warmed up my upper body to get ready for my personal training session. So I've been seeing a personal trainer for about a month now. I meet with him twice a week, so that gives us at least one upper body day a week and one lower body day a week. And we've really been focused on weight training, which has been so cool and so much fun. And yes, I am documenting a lot of my progress for you guys, and we'll be doing a final overview of my experience after probably 3 months of consistent working out. So we're 1/3 of the way there already, which is kind of crazy. But this is Terrence. Hi, Terrence. Yeah, he's pretty cool, but this is the part of the video that honestly is just so cringy for me. I share my life with you guys, and you're welcome. I'm uncomfortable. So what we do during our sessions really does change from day to day, but it's mostly strength training focused. While we do circuit training some days like you're watching right now, and other days we are just doing like weight machines. I have been really focused on learning the sorts of exercises that I can see myself actually doing long term. So I've been avoiding like HIIT exercises and stuff like that because I hate it, and I'll never do it on my own. So really just trying to get down some basics, meanwhile reaching my goals as well. So it's been a lot of fun though. And yes, even though I am gonna be filming from time to time, I won't be sharing this footage with you guys until like the, I don't know, reveal video, hopefully, just because it is so cringy for me to watch, and I need to make a little more progress before I feel great about sharing it with you guys. So again, this is like a one-time thing. I hate watching this, and I hate editing it, and by it I mean that. Oh my god, so embarrassing.
Go all the way. Oh, go.
That was a purely in my mind moment.
I know it was. I know it was.
On camera.
I know.
I really don't want to.
I know.
I hate box jumps.
There you go, Holly. Yeah.
I hate box jumps. You're welcome.
Moving on. So every time I go to the gym, I bring a little mason jar with some protein powder and I mix water in it after my workout. I did a ton of research on protein powders, like so much research, before purchasing, but I ended up buying the Garden of Life raw organic protein in vanilla. I went with this one because it's vegan and organic, it doesn't have any added sugars, and it also has some really good supplements added to it that are not included in my multivitamin. So I sort of consider this to be like a second multi. And it has my second dose of BCAAs, which I take after my workout. Honestly, it's super chalky and kind of gross to drink just with water. It tastes good, it's just chalky, but I've been really happy with it. So I will be continuing to use this. This one's empty right now. But I also just got a package, if you guys saw in my Instagram story recently, but I just got a package from Evo Hemp. They sent me a ton of their products to try out. So I do have these protein powders as well. So I'm gonna give these a shot moving forward and probably switch between the Garden of Life and the Evo Hemp just to switch it up so I don't get sick of it. Or maybe I'll do one of each because I am trying to up my protein while I gain muscle. But it's been really fun. So I don't know, maybe there will be future videos about protein powders or just more of what I eat in the day videos probably. I feel like I'm rambling. Anyways, after the gym, I decided to run some errands, and because it was rainy and cold, I treated myself to a decaf coffee, and then I found a very beautiful rainbow. Living in Kona on the Big Island where I was living before this, I didn't really understand the connection between Hawaii and rainbows, but now I do, because in Honolulu, I see a rainbow almost every day, and no, I'm not sick of them by any means. They still put a smile on my face and just kind of like remind me to slow down and appreciate the little things. It's been really nice, but this was a very, very good rainbow. And right after I filmed this little shot, it started to downpour, so I actually got soaked walking to Walmart. But I did go to Walmart, and then I went back to the mall to visit T-Mobile about my phone, where I found this police officer on a, what do you call those? I don't know, but my iPhone camera is broken. Will I be getting a new one? Yes. Have I done that? No. But if you see some shots in this video that are really like shaky and jiggly or just bad quality, that's my iPhone. And then I went to one of my favorite places, Pressed Juicery, and as you can see, I still have one left from this last shopping trip, but I have become quite a regular customer with them. I have a very small fridge, as you may remember from my apartment tour, and it really doesn't allow me to do much as far as smoothies and juices go, so I just love having these convenient bottles that I can throw in my purse, and these aren't like the cheapest things in the world, but they do allow me to get my juice, and I love juice, so it's kind of worth it to me. So by this point in the day, I was exhausted and starving, and it was still raining, so I got really lazy about filming, but I eventually made it to this natural and vegetarian grocery store that is on the way to my house, and sometimes I go there just to eat. This is actually the first time I've shopped there, but there were a few specialty items that I needed to grab, and then I got a really delicious black bean and beet veggie burger, and very, very delicious. So after that point, I went to my local grocery store, which is pretty middle of the road as far as like expensive grocery stores go. But at this point, I gave up entirely on filming, went to the grocery store, got what I needed for the week, and then this happened. So yeah, I did have every intention at the beginning of the day to get home in time to clean my kitchen and prep my food for this video. But it was already so late, I was so exhausted and just wet from the rain. I decided just to have my sleepy time tea, even though I did not need it because I was already so tired. So I had my tea, watched some shows, and went to bed. But yeah, that's the end of my day in the life. Now you know what I do on like an errand day. That is actually a very typical day for me when I am running errands, and it's always jam-packed, but I have a lot of fun with it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Again, I really do look forward to hearing your feedback. If you liked more of this narrative style. Yeah, if you did enjoy this video though, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, hello. If you're interested in just watching a girl try and figure it out, that's what I'm doing. So hit that big subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you guys get notified every time I upload. And if you want to hang out with me in between my YouTube videos, be sure and follow me on Instagram. I am going to be getting a new phone very soon, and then I will be back to Instagram storying a lot more often. but I am still posting photos on a regular basis as well. So thank you again for watching. I will see you all again very soon with another video, and in the meantime, I hope you're all doing very well. I love you so much.